advised to stay inside.
The message we need to get out to people is that the best way to stay safe is to stay home. The message we need to get out to people is that the best way to stay safe is to stay home.
The so-called super flu,
Some people have even taken to wearing protection on the streets. Why are you wearing this mask, sir?
I don't know, just feel safer.
COVID's look.
Do you mind putting your mask back on?
Suzanne!